Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to buy BlockDAG from Trust Wallet full guide. Open Trust Wallet and make sure you have BNB or a supported token for the swap. Next, locate BlockDAG in a DEX and set slippage to the recommended range. Approve the token, confirm the transaction, and wait for network confirmations. I will walk you through troubleshooting and safety tips so you can buy confidently and avoid common mistakes. Open the DApps browser, connect Trust Wallet to a trusted DEX, and choose the token you will swap from. Search for BlockDAG and paste the correct contract address to avoid scams. Set slippage according to the token's liquidity and gas conditions, then approve the token if required. Confirm the swap, monitor pending status, and verify the tokens appear in your wallet after network confirmations. I will share tips to speed up or cancel if needed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides. Quick recommendation. I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that really simplifies investing decisions and made me rethink risk in a funny, practical way. It pairs oddly well with learning crypto basics, like treating investing as a long game rather than a scramble for gains. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Always verify the BlockDAG contract address from official sources to avoid fake tokens. Keep your seed phrase and private keys offline and never share them, even for support requests. Use a small test amount first to ensure everything works and to measure slippage and fees. Check transaction details on a Block Explorer if you encounter issues, and consider using a hardware wallet for larger holdings. These precautions will keep your funds safer during the purchase process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.